It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, driver memory seats, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.